Yo, what's up guys and welcome back to another video. I'm 7beats and today I'm going to show you how to create an Afrobeat for Aya Nakamura. So in this tutorial I will show you how to create the melody from scratch, then add some simple drums and then create a really simple arrangement. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So I think those beats are normally created around 90 BPM, but I think in this case I'm going to 85 as my BPM. I'm going to use analog lab 5 for just adding some simple keys. So I found this Lovers and preset, this one. And I'm going to create a chord progression in G sharp minor. So I'm going to start off with G sharp, G sharp, G flat and A sharp. I think a G sharp right here and D flat. So I think this one, so this one has to be a F flat right here. So already fire. So maybe add this F flat right here. Create a melody like this. Maybe zoom in. So I think something is missing in the last chord right here. So I'm gonna add this note right here, I think. That's fire. So duplicate this one. So I've played around with the velocity like this, and right now I'm going to add another layer. So I'm going to use the stage 73. So I'm going to copy the top layer of this melody right here and paste it in the other one. And maybe just cut out some of the high frequencies from the main chord progression. So use this low pass right here. So I've linked them to the mixer. I'm going to use the Pro Q3 because it's more precise when I'm reducing some of the frequencies. So I'm going to reduce some mid frequencies right here. I'm going to do the same for the other synth. Those frequencies right here. Maybe some more. Or maybe use this high cut right here. It should be something like this. And right now I'm going to add a bass guitar. So I'm going to use the ample bass A. And I'm just going to use the default preset. I'm going to copy my root notes right here and paste it into this one. Turn it down one octave. So I'm using my African Sample Pack Volume 1. Make sure to check it out. The link is in the description. It contains a lot of awesome samples. So this really deep kick. So I'm using this snare, this one, and maybe trimming a little bit. And I'm using this one. So I've just created a really simple pattern. But maybe just turn this one up. And I'm going to layer this one to the other rim shot. That's fire. And right now we're going to add the kick drum. So it's just a really simple pattern. Nothing too difficult. Alright, now I'm going to layer it with a head, so a closed head. I think this one is perfect. So layer the first pattern. Turn down the velocity. So I think the bass line sounds really awesome right now. I'm going to cut out some of the high frequencies. Just use a low pass. Maybe cut out some of the frequencies right here. Maybe just cut out, or maybe just reduce some of the harsh frequencies from the snare. They're right here. And maybe we could add an effect right here. So I'm going to use some delay on this one. Use a ping pong. Alright, now I'm going to create a really simple arrangement. So first, just the melody is playing. Maybe just cut out some of the low frequencies. Just use this equalizer right here. As you can see, it's just really simple. I think this one is similar to Bobo. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to download the free FLP. The link will be in the description. Consider to subscribe if you want to stay tuned for new videos, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.